Bathroom Plus cleans, disinfects, and deodorizes hard, non-porous surfaces throughout your restrooms. The non-acid, non-abrasive formula will not scratch surfaces and works well on glazed ceramic, porcelain, chrome, stainless steel, and plastic. Use in urinals, toilet bowls, sinks, on shower and tile walls, along with chrome and plastic fixtures. Bathroom Plus is bactericidal, virucidal, and mildew static. Daily use will leave your restroom sparkling clean with a pleasant floral scent and the security of knowing the powerful disinfectant has left the bathroom safer and healthier.